In this video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to craft and refine professional cold emails that actually get results. First, I'm going to set the stage by telling Chatgpt to act as my expert cold email writing assistant, focusing on a direct, conversational tone that avoids sounding like spam. Chatgpt responds with a solid 6-step framework, prioritizing a human-centric opening and a clear, low-friction call to action to ensure the emails are effective. It suggests opening like a person rather than a marketer and keeping the message short enough to be read in under 20 seconds. Now, I'll provide a specific scenario where I'm reaching out to a local coffee shop called The Daily Grind to offer a week of free social media content in exchange for a testimonial. The AI generates a concise draft that highlights my specific experience growing a small business following and ends with an easy question about sending over content ideas. This draft is personalized to the shop's recent posts, making it feel genuine rather than generic. Next, I want to try a more corporate approach, so I'll ask for a cold email targeting a marketing director at an e-commerce company for a coordinator role. Chatgpt produces a professional yet personalized email that showcases my background in digital campaigns and tools like Canva and Hootsuite while expressing clear interest in their specific brand. It manages to balance a confident tone with a soft call to action for a brief introductory chat. Finally, I'll ask the AI to polish this draft even further to ensure the subject line is curiosity-driven and the overall flow is even tighter. Chatgpt delivers a refined version of the email and provides a helpful breakdown of exactly what it changed, from sharpening the opening to reducing friction in the closing. This workflow makes it incredibly easy to iterate on your outreach until you have a message that feels authentic, polished, and ready to send. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.